This is my bathroom that I'm remodeling, and in this video I'll show you how to remove baseboards without damaging them. Step 1. Start by using fresh new blade on your utility knife. Step 2. Take your utility knife and carefully cut the caulking on the top of the baseboard. Go around the wall where the baseboards are, including the corners. It's okay if you're even cutting a little bit off into the drywall because you can always caulk that up to cover it. Step 3. Take a pry bar and a hammer and carefully position the pry bar on the top of the baseboard. Then lightly start tapping with a hammer on top of the pry bar. You want to make sure that the pry bar is going behind the baseboard, then slowly start prying it off. Move along the baseboard as you continue to pry it off little by little at a time. Use your hand on one end while you're using the pry bar on the other end to help you pull off the baseboard. Once the baseboard's removed, remove any nails that might still be in the wall. If you have a piece like this where it's sticking out, you can use a hammer and lightly tap the edge like this to get it off without having to use the pry bar. Next, if you're planning to save the baseboards, just remove the nails and reuse it.